Okay, hello friends, and welcome to the new price action live trading series of KR Market Gurukul. Right, so here we will try to understand what was the logic, the reasoning of the trades that we took. Generally, more that we'll be discussing over here are specifically option trading and definitely stock trading also if we get some time. Right, so we'll look into both the aspects. And if you look for today's price action, this was a very important zone 33,578, from where market two times it tried to take the support and uh, tried to go up, but over here, since we know this was an upper part of the range, and from this upper part of the range market has been pushed down very aggressively by the sellers. Right now, this is how market in a way traps those who might have taken entry over here. They might have thought that market would have come over here, है ना, यहाँ तक market आता, तो ये आपका target है. But this is what is the beauty of the market, that sometimes in a way it can change direction very aggressively, right? And at the same time it can trap the players who don't respect its view. So today was one such day. Very you can see this is an hourly chart. Very wonderfully it broke below this range, so the structure change got confirmed. The market told that it is going into reversal signal. This is the lower part of the range over here. It has nearly come over to that zone. Hardly, I guess, 100 points is remaining, so more or less it has achieved the target below this range. This is the space, and below that then there is a lot of space in the market to go down. Now coming to the lower time frame of 15 minutes, right? So if you look at the 15 minutes, same thing happened. Like, look at this, a very good breakdown by using a very good price action, right? That is what we teach our students, that how to analyze order flows, how to identify the structure change in the market, and that is what will give you edge in the trading. Not your what kind of indicators or how many indicators you are using, they are all useless. Now coming to our let's say the PNL that we have, right? So this is the that around that we have been able to generate good profits. Yes, some of the positions have been closed. This is a positional setup and some new positions has been taken, but overall it has given a very good PNL, and we are holding on to some of our good profitable positions, right? So like 31,500 put, from 320 it is now around 12 rupees, so we are holding on to some good profitable positions. And do mind that the positions are hedged, right? So we have converted it into intraday now, but the positions are hedged, so that gives us an added benefit in a way that even if the market moves 1-2% gap up gap down, you won't have much impact on the profits. That is how it is called a calendar hedge, because over here we have hedged our positions using next expiry options. We have bought that, right? And the sells are in current expiry, so the positions are running. The profit is good. We are expecting some more profit to come in by tomorrow, as this current expiry options will become worthless, right? And we will adjust depending on the buying price of here, the calendar buy. So coming to this aspect, this is how actually a trading should be done. Especially if you are a positional trader, you should always hedge the positions. You should not go naked without any proper protection, because market can change direction suddenly, especially this markets which are more volatile in nature, right? So now coming over here, market has nearly reached to this zone, right? So from here it can stabilize, it can continue the movement, but if you want to now take another sell entry, we need a proper consolidation in the zone. We need a proper consolidation in the zone, and then if it breaks out, then we can get a good risk reward over here, right? So that is this approach the markets in a logical manner. And for those who are interested to learn, we also our price action program is starting around this 2nd of April, right? Just a minute. Yes, 2nd of April. So here we cover a variety of concepts that you won't find it in the books. or in the videos, because this has been specially developed by us. The entry techniques are very logical in nature, that will give you the confidence you need in the market, right? And that is why we have that. I'll show you the current, this is Jan batch who have completed their sessions. They have 2 months of sessions, and this is how the review is, that they are saying that they become more confident in entry points, how to kind of trade the markets in a logical way. That is what our mission is, right? To help you to understand and trade the markets so that you would be able to take logical decisions and be able to earn consistently over here. So thank you, that's all for today. Hope you would have learned something. Keep a watch on 33,200 odd and 30, this zone. This is the range 33,000, 3200. This 200 point range is now very important, because below that, if we break down again, we might see 500 to 1000 points dip in the market. Okay, so thank you all for watching the video. Bye bye.